going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you today. I'm at the house right now working on my grill, doing a little fabrication to it, trying to knock a couple things out. And you know what I was just thinking? You have to take the initiative to step outside of the box, no matter what you do in life. If you're going to do something great, it's going to be something that you have never done. You're going to have to learn something that you don't know. You're going to have to be around and associate with some people that you might not like. That's just what it is. But if you're going to really get your hog on, you're going to really change your life and be independent and be a boss, you're willing to make those sacrifices. You're willing to go for broke. You're willing to just eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches if possible, and think about steak while you're eating them, or think about a tuna steak, or think about a nice salmon meal while you're eating that peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But it's okay, because you got to focus. And you know, at the end of the day, grinders get the meal. Ain't no handouts out here.